Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can use the color picker to change the font color in your documents on Google Docs in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to your text document and let me enter an example text here and show you what I mean. So what you want to do, guys, is, for instance, let's say that text here has a different font color like this. And now you'd like to apply that color to this one here. What you need to do is highlight the given text you would like to apply the new color to. Choose to click into text color here or font color, and you will see that color picker tool at the bottom. Click into it, and after that navigate to the color you would like to apply. Click into it, and that is going to change it. Now you can apply it also from other elements in your text document, like images you have inserted or shapes. So again, what you want to do is highlight the text here, and navigate to the color picker tool here, and simply use that magnifying glass to click into the color from the image you would like to apply. And now it has this dark green color here, or we can go with that color of these lemons here, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.